esteemed panelist, Dr. Nanda Vali sir. Sir, we would like to enlighten from your side. How do modern physicians perceive Ayush system within integrative models or NCDs, and what safeguards are necessary?
Thank you, Dr. Farooq Saab, and thank you, Ayush mentioned. It's a tragedy of modern medicine that we disintegrated human body into pieces. Like you go and see a hospital for 1600 gram of liver, gallbladder and pancreas. You see so many hospitals only for 700 gram of heart. You see many institutes who treat 12 to 1600 gram of brain. You see many hospitals who treat 80 gram kidney. So the attempt of bringing in together the concept of treating whole human body is by Ayush, and this is to be complimented. No. It's by our default that we have to come back on integrated medicine. You see, a patient who comes from a cardiology hospital gets serious regret of seeing his prescription, but a cardiologist feels a complex to write diabetic medicine. It's a tragedy. And if that patient is not aware that I have to take diabetes medicine for his whole body, he will die. He will not be saved by cardiology prescription. This I am seeing every day from prescriptions coming from cardiology hospitals. They feel disgusted to write diabetic medicine. They write the diagnosis, DM2. It's just secondary to them. And they write CAD. It is primary to them, but they feel to write diabetic. So this is a tragedy. That is where the integrated medicine has to come back. We have to correct our defaults. And I'm proud to say that integrated medicine is the best word to treat the integrated body. This is one. And as Dr. said, fourth pillar, we were probably missing the fourth pillar, and if this table misses fourth pillar, this will be disparate. So far, the more advancement we are making in the modern science and modern medicine, we are losing unless we have fourth pillar, that is integrated medicine. We can't be balanced, and this is happening. See, I keep warning in forums like this to my colleagues that if you do not connect with the patient as a whole, you just see his one department or one organ, the patient will never come back to you. And this is happening, and that is why we are here, and Ayush is here, and Ayush is progressing. And is based on holistic system, because human body, patient walks in our chamber as a whole. I keep telling this. Where is a doctor for 84 kg patient or 64 kg patient? You say, cardiologist. Nonsense. Heart is not the organ which you have to treat. You have to treat the whole body. And this is the tragedy when I compliment all these integrated people, integrated medicine, Ayush Mantralaya. The best example I saw, if you have noticed, आपने देखा होगा जो मंत्री जी भाषण दे रहे थे, नॉर्मली मंत्री के कमरे में प्रधानमंत्री और राष्ट्रपति की फोटो होती है. ये शिवसेना के थे, इनके पास पीएम की थी, प्रेसिडेंट, और ठाकरे जी की थी, आपने और भी नोटिस नहीं किया, एक नाथ शिंदे की भी थी, और एक अभी मैंने चेक किया, इनके राइवल जो एक बार होते थे, वो आनंद दिगे, उनकी भी थी. So this is what integrated system, integrated picture in Ayush Mantri is presenting, and that is what was the great message in that message I just referred. And the last point, because time is short and we have so many panelists, if we treat diabetes with medicine, if we treat heart disease with medicine, if we treat other diseases with medicines, probably we are wrong. We have no time to advise lifestyle modification to the patients. which is the essence of treatment. Every time a diabetic patient goes, 3 months back he comes with a higher sugar if he is not doing exercise. I was just asking, Doctor, what is the equivalent word of exercise in Unani? Please go and find out. Vyayam, Varzish, exercise, which integrates in yoga, is the sheet anchor of treatment for lifestyle diseases. Remember, treatment of lifestyle diseases is lifestyle modification in the form of any form of exercise. In the form of any form of exercise. And exercise is a must. We generate insulin resistance and diabetes. Diabetes type 2 is not an existing disease. We generate diabetes by not doing exercise, physical activity, and eating wrong. The last example I will give you why integration is required. If you keep a plate of very healthy food, say olives, and a plate of momos outside, which plate will be emptier here? You know that? So this is where the lifestyle modification has to be addressed. And I will finish with the Sanskrit line, Samadosha, Samagni, Samadhatu, Manakriya. This is the concept of holistic medicine. Go and see the meaning. प्रसन्नात्मैद्यम स्वस्थ में तो सब चीज़ों का जिसको आप मिजाज कह रहे थे अभी, जिसको आप होलिस्टिक मेडिसिन कहते हैं और जो आपने एआई में इंटीग्रेट किया है, तो प्रसन्न आत्मैद्यम, आत्मा इंद्रियम, जब तक आत्मा और इंद्रियां प्रसन्न नहीं होंगी हम डॉक्टर नहीं कहलाए जा सकते. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you so much, sir.